Kino hikai jung ke school SSA hakane ke jala Meghalaya gelapan pau ke jing song komen hadian ba ke sarkar kala sngap ya ke jing dawa jong ki halor ki mat ba pher kamtam hakabia dai bat ke jing siu tu lop yaki yakane kino hikai gelapan pau leng ba kinong pathai ku bor haga khan riu tarik menta ubna ramphang arajar arphawai hadian be kila dap yakan du yaki he jong katanat pule puthi ke jala
Hakajing kendo baginong pathai kubor hakane gasngi kinong yalam jong kaseng kinong hikai school SSA hapok kalama jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association kibedan khat hajar sanspa sapui ngut baro kidkhot kile tho bahadian bagane kaseng kaladap ai kajing tho ka sarkar halor kimat jeng dawa jongki hakabala bo poru ban pen urlong kini mat jeng dawa haswa ka khat pratrek menta ubnai ramphang hajar arpuai Haka khandro trek menta ubnai ke sarkar klasim khiai kene ke jingda wa jongki dag bakhot yakran yaki bad state project director hakane ke jing yakran bad state project director ule thu ikinong yalam jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association ba ke sarkar kla thau ka committee ka bakarpang ka balakhle chief secretary ke jela bagan bishar bnia ke jingda wa jongki bad ban pha ke jing terwa sha ke sarkar halor kini ke jingda wa Kimat hi ke bakham kongsan ki bakane ka seng kala dawan ke sarkar kalong ban siu tulop noi ki kumbasiu ki weipat kino hikai jong school sarkar bat ban kentiu no ru ya ke tulop jong ki baro
Tinakaliang jong director base halor ki guidelines bat ki framework jong ka samagra shiksha abhiyan bat kumjuro kat kum ka jingpatha na pok education department ulai thu ingi ba nakaliang education department ka lapthai u bat pankrea ya proposal bat unwanra ya kane ka proposal hapo jong kane ka executive committee jong ka simam ka ban salong ha ubnai march bat hakane ka executive committee kin sa ayak approval bat hadin bala yo ayak approval kuma mane kin sa pha bat chapo Ministry of Education Government of India ban yo ya ka jimenjur naka project approval board kata kalong ka ba nongkong ka ba nakaliang jong ka association ngi kwa ban pensiau Syafi ke apa nakaliang jongi kasian ke bami kemat ikino hika SSA hapo ke jela Meghalaya ngi penpau ya ka jisungo ya director jo ka school education and literacy jo Meghalaya balong ro state project director ba ula simkhia ya kani ka jingdawa jongi patkum juro ya education minister isala men rumbui ba ila consider biang ya kani ka jingdawa jo ka seng ban pentrekam ya ka salary structure bat kum juro ban kentiu ya ka tulop jong kino hikai SSA ke badon hapo ka jela Meghalaya kumba araja sanspa sauhwei ngut kebalai pan nagaling jongi ka association ngibo ka jing kerpat ya boro kino hikai SSA hapo ka jela Meghalaya bakin yaisha shipor bat ka association kat ba nagaling jong ka government kadang penkre hakabaya de berkini proposal patkom juro ban wanra hapo ka executive committee jo ka simam ban yo yak approval patkom juro ban pha chapo ka Ministry of Education Government of India ban yo yak ka jingmenjur na ka project approval board
na kaliang jong menteri keterat puliputhi ubala kemen rumboi ulong ba ka jingdawa ban kentiu tulop jogino ka school SSA kadai ka basyong nongrem bat namar kani ula pentip ke sarkar jela kan sabishar benia agane ke jingdawa bat kan khmi la ke sarkar kala em ban pentri kamyaka menteri pentip ba state project director ke semam unsa IT shen ya ka kaipot alor kani ke benta bat hadian ba ke sarkar kala yo apdiang ya ka kaipot kan sa syong bishar la ka kot bor em halor ke jingbo por jengene kai SSA ke banan hapok chatri jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association menteri ulong bah ke jing trekam jong ke sarkar jela kam judon satya ke jingbo por namar ki kam ki ya man la kasni
ya ka bakala pelai ka tulop ngad pelai lut dan rek mbap hitip hi baka nakaliang ka sentral ka kap ya ka jing yarap pisa ya kinohikai SSA haka khasan hajar kadai ka kaping jongki kamot beyond that ka state kan hapan ber ta kumbalong mata te ngai ngalong doubtful te nakaliang ka project director ka smampat kadai ka duty jongki ka bakin page la kalong feasible kamlong feasible namarna ka project director jong ka state education of Meghalaya tu pat un page ya ka convenient kabagini banle da Porsche government patin hapekin karon kafan kadon nakamdan I mean you see there is no deadline at all in working of the government. Deadline is that it is a continuous process whatever we do, whatever we can do, we will do, and whatever we cannot do. So deadline is for them, not for the government. We are alive to the issue of the grievances of the teachers community, not only SSA. We are alive to the issue, and we are trying to work out the feasibility, and we are trying to work out also what is the best solution in this situation.